What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a big old fat welcome. My name is Auntie TT and I do wig reviews, and if this is your first wig review and it's something you think you might be interested in, stay tuned as we get right into the video of this wig.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
In this wig review, we'll be reviewing a wig by OUTRE, again in the melted hairline, and I have it in the style Aries. So a few specs about Aries: it has 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It also comes with a deluxe, with a 2x5 deluxe wide HD lace. I have Aries in the color DRFF Hazelnut. Aries does come with natural baby hairs. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. The texture of the hair appears to be silky texture. The length of the original wig is 22 inches, but as you saw in the video, I did cut it and put it up in a half up, half down style. About the wig after styling, I will say it is big head friendly, but it sheds a lot and it tangles a lot and it has a lot of flyaways and it is hot. It is hot. Yes, Aries is hot. Girl, why are you so hot? You know, that's coming out of the pack. You gotta ask Aries girl, why are you so hot? You know, yeah. So besides that, more about Aries. She's a right side part. She retails for about $40 if I remember when I did my research. Well, let's talk about the application. I would say the application was easy. if you wear it how it was, if you wear it how it was intended right out the box, which is like this. I was trying to be all fancy and different, and I wanted to do half a pap down, honey. That was a lot of work, but when I got started I was committed, so I had to finish, and finish I did. Okay, so it's different, but it's a lot of work. If you wear it just like this, just like wrong way, just like that, it ain't that bad. It just tangles a lot. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, let's talk more about Aries. Aries obviously comes in special colors. Aries has natural baby hair. Aries has the elastic band, the pre-attached elastic band, the pre-attached deluxe wide lace part elastic band to hold your lace down. Now to say that 10 times fast, Aries, with your hot self. I don't know what else to say about Aries besides I was trying to be different, and honey child, that was bad idea. Okay, bad idea. But I do love Aries if it was in a shorter style, because I'm not here for the tangles. I'm just not. Okay, I'm not here for the tangles. I'm not here for the flyaways, and I'm not here for the shedding, you know. So with that being said, my score for Aries would be 7.5, only because the color is cute and I could do a half up, half down. Granted, I think I tried it on the wrong wig because it had too much hair for me to do that, or maybe I was just inexperienced. I don't know, you know. But besides that, I achieved what I started to or thought of. But Aries is a lot of work if you try to style it differently than what it was intended. Okay, so with that out the way, let me go ahead and give you guys a 360 of my half up, half down Aries. So this is she. If you guys love the half up, half down on Aries, and you want to just tell me, girl, you look good, won't you back that? Don't say it, my husband won't kill you. Okay, so all seriousness, if you enjoyed this video or you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP, and I really do appreciate you. I thank you for watching my video. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a comment down below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of Auntie TT's videos. And I'll see you back in the next week. Bye.